Scotty Stripes here. I gotta finish mowing this entire property. I gotta trim, I gotta edge, and I gotta blow the parking lot, all before this rain comes in. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. What is that thing? What is that thing? Oh no, I broke it.
Actually, it did exactly what it's supposed to do.
What is this thing?
So this is Toro's PROLINE Autonomous Mower.
It's a robot?
Yeah.
So it can mow while I'm doing the trimming and the edging and blowing off the parking lots.
That's the whole purpose for this machine. This machine is giving you the ability to take 3 guys and narrow it down to 1 guy, allowing all kinds of stuff to be done while this thing's actually mowing grass.
Now, what if I need to use it? Can I use it by itself?
I think that's the best part of this thing. You can literally go from autonomous mow on your big sections to your smaller sections on the property where you could mow faster yourself with it, turn it to manual mode, and now it's just a standard mower like you're used to.
When it's running in autonomous mode, how do I know when it's done?
So there is an app. This machine will literally stop mowing and it'll let your phone know via the app that you're finished mowing and that you can go and address the mower.
What's this big black box?
Yeah, so being that we talked about electric motors on this thing, you're gonna have the engine charge 4 batteries, and then those batteries essentially will run the electric motors.
So it's electric drive motors. What's the advantage of that?
Oh, that's, I'm gonna tell you something. As good as you are, Scotty Stripes, you can't outstripe this machine. This machine basing off satellite signals is literally centimeters of overlap, meaning you're getting the full deck productivity out of this machine. It's awesome, absolutely awesome.
What are the blue things on the side?
So yeah, obviously you got to think about safety. If you're not going to be on the machine has to think. So they put safety features into this. There's 3 safety zones. There's a 15 to 10 foot, there's a 9 foot to 5 foot, and then there's an extreme. It's going to be 4 foot right up to the machine.
So is that why it stopped when I ran up to it?
That's it. You got within the 4 foot, it shut itself down. It's telling me, an operator, that I need to address this and go back out and start it up again.
So it's safe to use around parks and playgrounds?
100%, and kids, which is the most important thing. Sometimes kids don't know what they're playing around. This thing will sense that. It'll shut it off if anybody gets too close.
I noticed it's got a 60-inch deck on it. Is that enclosed?
Yeah, so Toro does that intentionally. Obviously, you're not on there to see anything that happens around you. So what they do is they put this on a fully mulched deck. So if you hit something, God forbid, it is not going to go flying out. It's going to be contained within the deck. One more safety feature that Toro thinks of.
How long will it run on 1 tank of gas?
Typically with this engine combination, you're going to get anywhere between 1 to 1.2 gallons per hour of gasoline. So essentially with a 5-gallon tank, you're getting anywhere from 3 to 4 hours of mowing.
Is it easy to set up?
Oh, that's the beauty of this thing. This thing is so easy. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to create a border. So a loop, so to speak. And then once you create that border and you enclose it, you go inside, and anything that you don't want to be mowed over, you actually record around those obstacles, put it inside that border, point it in the direction you want, push a button, step back, and the machine takes over.
So you're telling me if I own this machine, it could have been mowing this whole property while I was doing my trimming and my edging and my blowing and not worrying about getting done before the rain came?
Scott, that is exactly why this machine's built. In fact, I have 2 guys working about a mile away here doing a mulching job on another landscaping, getting 2 jobs done at the same time, which is a beautiful thing. That's called multiplying. That's making money.
So where can I learn more if I wanted to set up a demo?
So you can reach out to your local Toro dealer, or you can go on to Toro.com and look for a where to buy option, and it'll get you right to a dealer that can supply you with the information and set up a demo and see if it's the right mower for you or not. The best part about this, Scott, is everything you're used to with Toro, with the Turbo Force deck, the deep deck that can handle volumes of grass, great quality of cut, is built into this unit. They did not change a thing. It is top notch. The best part about it, I believe, is when you get the gas model with the Turbo Force deck combined with the electric motors, you can't get a better machine as far as striping and making perfect lines.
So you're telling me this thing is Scotty Stripes approved?
Scott, I believe this is Scotty Stripes approved.